Top 5 reasons to buy new construction homes right now. Why settle for someone else's outdated choices when you can have a brand new home tailored just for you? Discover the top reason why buying new construction is the smartest move you can make right now. Modern amenities and design. New construction homes are built with the latest trends and technologies in mind. From open floor plans and energy efficient appliances to smart home features and contemporary finishes. You'll enjoy a home that meets today's lifestyle needs without costly upgrades or renovations. Customization options. Many builders offer the ability to customize your home layout, finishes, and features. This means you can create a space that perfectly fits your tastes and needs, something you won't get in an older home. Whether it's choosing the flooring, cabinets, or paint colors, new construction allows you to make your home truly yours. Energy efficiency. New homes are built to meet or exceed the latest energy efficiency standards, which can lead to significant savings on utility bills. Features like better insulation, modern windows, and energy efficient HVAC systems mean your home will be more comfortable year round and easier on your wallet. Lower maintenance costs. Since everything in new construction home is brand new, from the roof to the appliances, you can expect fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs for years to come. Many builders also offer warranties on their work, giving you added peace of mind. Competitive financing options. Builders often partner with lenders like myself to offer special financing incentives that can make buying a new construction home more affordable. This could include lower interest rate, reduced closing costs, or other perks that make your home purchase easier and more cost effective. Don't wait. Take advantage of the benefits of new construction today. Contact us to explore your option, customize your dream home, and secure competitive financing before rates change.